Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with a private pool, garden office with a bathroom and storage room in Ciudad Quesada, Alicante. At the entrance of this villa, you are greeted by a large, well-established front garden with a parking bay. With steps leading up to the front balcony, where you will find a seating area with lovely views. From here you have access to the villa, and across you will find the private pool with a covered seating area at the rear. The pool gets sunlight all day and offers seating areas around the garden. Entering the villa, you have a large living room with an open-plan kitchen at the rear. The living room has a wood fire and air conditioning. And from the kitchen at the side, you have a guest bedroom. Down the hallway you will find access to the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and guest bedroom with the master bathroom in the middle. Back outside at the entrance, you will find access to the garden office, but can easily be transformed into a guest house. Ciudad Quesada is a popular residential area, offering excellent amenities with shops, supermarkets, bars and restaurants close by. The beautiful beaches of Gardamar del Segura are just 10-15 minutes away, with Torrevieja and La Mata also easily accessible. La Marquesa Golf Course is nearby, while Alicante Airport is approximately 35 minutes by car, an ideal location for permanent living, holidays, or investment. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact Villas for Spain today.